Hello guys, this is my Alfa 75. As you may know from previous videos, this Alfa 75 suffers from problems with corrosion in the antifreeze circuit. So, in order to do this job, as you may know, I will disassemble this head and I will recover all what I can recover. This is going to be a series of videos, not just one or two. I don't know how much episode it's going to take, but it does not matter anyway, at least right now. And I want you to tell me if you want me to tape everything on this job, or just do the main things, just focus on some things to make the series shorter. For me, it's the same. I have to do the job anyway. I prefer myself to do an integral filming of everything, because there are always some little things that help us understand what is happening or learn something. Of course, the videos will be longer that way, but I can make them shorter individually, not to bore you too much. Another thing, I will also work on the brakes and in the front suspension. Sorry, this is a first for me. I never worked as deep as in these cars, these engines, and these suspensions before. I have some just general knowledge of it. This is going to be a first for me, so bear with me with some things. Some things I don't know. This is a old car, and okay. Another thing that I would like to do is just a tip for you. I like to do a list of all the things that I have to do on my cars. This may seem stupid, but I have 4 cars, and as you can imagine, sometimes things slip by your mind. Also with all the things on your job and on your house. This is a very good and simple method not to forget anything. Sometimes things that were reachable, when the car is finished, oh, I forgot something, now I have to disassemble everything again. So I like to do this. It's my method. I leave this sheet paper on the windshield or somewhere, and here you go. Tell me in the comments below, how do you want me to do these videos? Short, very particular, very or not, and I'll see you soon.